All right, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Cameroon Pharmacists Association, we would like to welcome you to today's webinar Sunday titled Diabetes, Microvascular Complications. My name is Anne Limona, and I will be the moderator of this activity. Our speaker for today's event is Dr. Balimba Senge Balimba. Dr. Balimba is the clinical managed care pharmacist currently working at Optum Health. She received her Doctor of Pharmacy from Howard University in Washington, D.C. in 2004. She has gained a wealth of knowledge from her experiences in retail, hospital setting, and now managed care. She is currently working on becoming a certified diabetes educator and also in the process of getting her diabetes MTM certification. Before we begin, a few announcements from CANFA. So as a reminder, you're here today. Don't forget to register for CANFA's remaining webinar Sundays in 2019. Please visit canfausa.org for more info. This webinar today, the slides will also be available for viewing only to the registered CANFA members. And also, let's not forget that our annual convention is just a little over 4 months away. So don't forget to visit the canfausa.org website again and register. The activity today is accredited by the Nevada State Board of Nursing and approved for 1 credit hour. The ACPE number assigned will be provided in the chat section at the end. And to obtain credit, CEU credit for this activity, participants are reminded to actively participate in the entire webinar and complete the assessment and evaluation questions. Detailed info explaining how to claim credit also will be provided at the end of the webinar. And the learning objectives for today, for this live webinar on complications of diabetes are, as you can see in front of you right now, identify the different types of diabetes, identify the different types of microvascular complications associated with diabetes, devise strategies to screen, diagnose, prevent, and treat microvascular complications associated with diabetes. And before I turn things over to the speaker, Dr. Balimba, I will present 4 questions in a survey formed to assess your current knowledge of the topic. These questions will also be repeated at the end of the webinar to compare your learning outcomes. And you have 2 minutes to answer the questions, and then I will close it. And the 2 minutes starts now. Please let me know in the chat section if you still need some time, that I'm about to end the voting. And please also feel free to submit questions during Dr. Balimba's presentation in the chat section. We will go through them at the end of the presentation. And then the answers will be provided after the second try at the end of the webinar. And with that, we thank you for your participation. And it is now my pleasure to present our speaker, Dr. Balimba. Dr. Balimba, welcome to the webinar. Do you hear me?